What's up, guys? Today I'm starting a new series where I beat world records. So today is going to be push-up. This might be the hardest one I've ever done. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the world record is like 10,000. So I'm going to beat that easily. But my problem is, did the guy do them like this? Because, I mean, people still count that as a push-up, right? I could do like a million of these. Or did he do actual push-ups? So I'm gonna do a little bit of both, and then we'll see what's what, okay? So I gotta fix my socks here. And then I'm gonna put sandals on his shoe just for some extra grip. So someone count how many I did, because I'm not gonna be counting. It's gonna be all you guys, okay? So here we go. Water break. Okay, so I just looked it up, and the record is 20 in a minute. That's another world record. So I'm gonna try to beat 20 push-ups in a minute. Regular push-ups, not the knee ones, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, okay. 12, okay, 5 seconds spare. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. New world record. Guys, you just witnessed me break a new world record. It is currently 1:45 in the afternoon. I've been up since 7:30. I worked out this morning, so my arms are a little sore. But if I didn't work out for 2 days, I'd easily be able to do 50 in a row. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was a little bit different, wasn't Tesla stuff or anything, but I wanted to try to beat a world record, and I beat it. So if you guys have any other world records that you want me to beat, make sure you drop them down below. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because I'm trying to get 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you're watching this, add my Snap at Brady777. I'm going to be adding back the first 20 people who add me. I love you all. I'll see you soon. Peace.